I'm good.
Oh, that's great. What happened in school earlier today? You went to school today?
Yes.
And can you tell me what happened there? What did you do?
Play.
You played?
No.
You can remember.
Basa.
You read. What did you read? In Filipino or in English?
2 English, 1 Filipino.
You like Filipino?
No, I like English.
Okay, good. Because I don't like Filipino either. It's so difficult to read, right?
Yes.
It's so long. In English, you say, I danced. In Filipino, sumayaw ako. It's so long. What else did you do? Oh, by the way, do you have a pet at home?
No.
If your mom says yes to a pet, would you want a pet? Like a dog or a cat or an owl? Oh, what is that?
But not patay ko.
Napatay mo. Kawawa naman siya. Kaya mo na siya, pupunta siya sa heaven.
Sa heaven ng mosquito.
Ng mga mosquitoes, oo.
Wait a minute, what is that? I don't know. Is a mosquito or not? Then,
Could be a bug. Some kind of a bug.
dengue.
Lamo ka.
If mom says yes for you to have a pet, would you like to have one? A dog, a puppy, or maybe a kitten, or maybe a bird? No. No, okay. If you had superpowers, what would that be? If you're a superhero, would you have the power to fly? Or shoot like radiation out of your eyes? What? I'll let you think.
Fly.
You want to fly. Why? Why do you want to fly? Like Superman or...
Because I want to see the moon.
Oh, you love the moon?
Yes.
Which faces? Do you know the faces of the moon?
Yes.
Can you tell me what they are? What are the faces of the moon?
And brown na dumi.
Brown na dumi. Sa moon? Di ba, ang mga moon? New moon, full moon, waning moon.
And half moon.
Yeah, there it is. Ah, very good. Which is the favorite face of the moon for you? What's the most beautiful? The full moon or the new moon or the waning moon or the half moon?
This.
The crescent? Yeah, that's the new moon. It's the start of the month. Nice.